In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Shopify website. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to refresh your memory on the process, this guide will provide you with a step-by-step walkthrough on how to make your Shopify store look exactly the way you want it to. Starting with the basics, the first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the Shopify website. It's there that you'll initiate the editing process. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, you'll see a prompt to log in. Click on that login button to proceed. This is your gateway to accessing the back end of your store where all the magic happens. After clicking login, you'll be asked to enter your email address. It's critical to enter the email address associated with your Shopify account to ensure you're editing the right store. Following your email, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Make sure you enter this correctly. It's the key to unlocking your store's potential. Once successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Shopify admin dashboard, or as Shopify likes to call it, My Store Home. This dashboard is your command center. From here you can access every part of your store, but today we're focused on how to modify its appearance. To begin editing your online store, locate and click on the Online Store section. This area allows you to customize everything from your home page to your checkout page. Within the Online Store section, you'll see an option to Customize. Click on this to enter the theme editor. The theme editor is a powerful tool that offers a visual interface for editing your store's theme directly. Once in the theme editor, you might be overwhelmed with options, but don't worry, we'll go through them together. Begin by experimenting with the highlight feature, which allows you to select specific sections or elements on your page to edit. This can be an image, a text block, or even a button. Speaking of which, clicking on logo allows you to upload or change your store's logo. Your logo is often the first thing customers will recognize, so make sure it represents your brand well. Now let's add some color to your store. By selecting colors, you can change the color scheme of your entire store to match your brand's aesthetic. Colors play a significant role in how your store is perceived, so choose wisely. Following colors, the typography option allows you to customize the fonts used throughout your store. Whether you're looking for something modern, traditional, or whimsical, the right font can convey the essence of your brand. Moving on to the layout section, here you can adjust how content is distributed and aligned on your site. This can greatly affect how users navigate and experience your site, so think about what layout will best serve your content and products. Animations can add a touch of professionalism or fun to your store, depending on how they're used. Clicking on animations lets you control how different elements appear as users scroll through your site. A well-placed animation can make your store feel more interactive and engaging. Next up, let's talk about buttons. The buttons section lets you customize the look and feel of all the buttons on your site. From adding border thickness to changing colors, these tweaks can make your calls to action pop and improve user experience. For those looking to apply more comprehensive changes to their store's design, the theme style option is your best friend. This allows you to apply preset styles or make broad stylistic changes to your theme with just a few clicks. It's a great way to ensure consistency across your store. If you need to highlight certain elements or features on your site, the highlight tool can be used again here to draw attention to specific areas. This feature is particularly useful for promoting limited time offers or highlighting new products. When you're happy with the changes you've made to the theme, it might be time to update your store's content. To do this, click on Pages. You'll likely want to start with your Contact page, as keeping in touch with your customers is essential. Make sure your contact information is accurate and easy to find. Lastly, finishing touches are vital. Clicking on Preferences allows you to adjust various settings related to your store's operation, from SEO to social media links. This is also where you can set your store's favicon, which is the little icon that appears in the browser tab when someone visits your site. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to editing your Shopify website. Remember, the key to a great online store is not just how it looks, but also how it functions. Take your time to explore all the options Shopify offers. Experiment with different looks, play around with settings, and most importantly, have fun with it. Your online store is a reflection of your brand, so make it shine.